In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a basic website to Google Analytics 4. This is a straightforward process that will enable you to upgrade your website's analytics capabilities efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to head over to Google, open up your web browser and type in google.com. Once you're on the main Google page, look towards the top right corner. There, you'll find the sign in button waiting for you. Give it a click. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you want to use for Google Analytics and enter your password. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you pick the one associated with your website to avoid any confusion later on. With the right account signed in, it's time to access Google Analytics. Direct your attention back to the top right corner where you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on it and a drop down will appear. From this menu, you'll need to click Next, and you'll be guided to a similar Google Apps menu once more. Click on it again patiently. From the array of apps listed, choose Google Analytics. With just one click, you're on your way to migrating to Google Analytics 4. Once you're inside Google Analytics, you'll have to go to the admin section. You can find this by looking down at the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, locate the Create button at the top left and give it a click. This will allow us to set up a new property, which is essential for our Analytics 4 migration. Now comes the part where you need to input some specific details. Choose Property, which will initiate the process of creating a new property in Google Analytics 4. You'll then need to add the property name. Think of this as a label for your new analytics setup. Along with the name, select the appropriate time zone that matches your business operations, and don't forget to set the correct currency. Once you're done, click Next. You'll be prompted to provide an industry category that best describes your website's niche. It helps Google tailor the analytics insights to your needs. Following that, add the business size. Your options will range from small to large. It's all about choosing what aligns most closely with your website. When you're finished with these settings, click Next once more. Google's got an eye for detail, so it'll ask you to define your business objectives. Whether you want more traffic, improved sales, or enhanced user engagement, let Google know. With every setting adjusted to your satisfaction, hit Create. You'll then be prompted to choose a platform for data collection, or you can skip this step for later. Finally, click on Continue to Home. And there you have it, we've successfully migrated to Google Analytics 4, equipping your website with an upgraded analytics toolkit to better understand your audience.